I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious strawberry funnel cake. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring we have everything ready for a smooth process. Then, we'll prepare the vibrant strawberry topping, making it sweet and juicy. Next, we'll mix up a perfect, smooth funnel cake batter. Finally, we'll fry the batter to a beautiful golden crisp, creating a delightful treat for everyone to enjoy. For our sweet strawberry topping, begin by selecting about 1 pound of the freshest, ripest strawberries you can find. Wash them thoroughly, hull them, and then slice them into uniform 1/4-inch pieces. Next, gently toss these beautiful slices with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. This simple step helps to draw out their natural juices, creating a lovely syrup. Let them sit for at least 15 minutes to macerate, enhancing their flavor and texture. Now let's create the perfect funnel cake batter. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. In a separate bowl, combine 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few small lumps are fine, ensuring a tender funnel cake. It's time to fry our delicious funnel cakes. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour the batter through a funnel into the hot oil, creating a beautiful circular pattern. Fry each side for approximately 1 minute until it's wonderfully golden brown and crispy. Remove and drain on paper towels. Finally, top your warm funnel cake generously with the prepared sweet strawberries and a dusting of powdered sugar. Enjoy this delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.